Hi everybody, this is Dr. Radhika Meka, gynecologist, IVF specialist from Parampara Fertility and Gynec Center. So today I will take you around my IVF lab. இங்க நாங்க என்ன பண்றோம் அது உங்களுக்கு நான் explain பண்றேன். So the first step, this is where these are the tubes where we receive the eggs. அந்த பக்கம் வந்து IVF theater இருக்கு and this side we have the IVF lab. So all the eggs are collected in these tubes which are here, and then these tubes are kept in a machine which is at 37 degrees centigrade. So inside the body the eggs are at 37 degrees and the same temperature is maintained in this heat incubator which is at 37 degrees. So in the tubes வந்து embryologist எடுத்துட்டு, so we empty these tubes into these petri dishes. And then we start looking through the microscope for the eggs. So each tube, this I showed you one tube, but we would have 4, 5, 6, even 10 tubes depending upon the number of eggs the patient gives. So the contents of these tubes are emptied in these petri dish and then we look out for eggs. Once we see 1 or 2 eggs, we take it out and put it in a separate petri dish. So all the eggs are collected in these dishes. And husband's sample is collected in these containers. So he gives the sample at the time of the egg collection. So then we take the sample, husband's sperm, and then the eggs are here. So both we see in the microscope, and once the eggs are selected, denuded, we put them back in our incubator. This is a Heracell incubator where we maintain the temperature, the pH, the carbon dioxide, all this is maintained. So this is where the growth occurs in these incubators. So 2-3 hours they are kept in these incubators and then they are taken out. The sperm also is washed here, the debris, all that is removed, and then we take them to our ICSI machine. ICSI machine is the micromanipulator. The sperms and eggs are loaded here, and from here are the micropipettes, all the needles are put here and ICSI is done in this machine. Once the ICSI is done here, the embryos, the fertilized eggs go back to the incubator, kept here for 3 days, and then we see them back the next day for fertilization and then put them back 3 days. We monitor them and then we freeze them. So this is a small tour through our IVF lab. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.